Okay, so it's 09:30. I just got done doing a banana batter. That's just like the immediate previous video. And I have to do a cleanup, right? And so I still have all the stuff out here. There's banana batter on my tamper still, on spatula, things full of banana batter. So I'm like, man, I'm gonna clean this and spend like half hour trying to dump it in there. But you know what? I know what I'm gonna do. It's still breakfast time, but I eat anything at any time of the day. I don't care. I could eat, paella right now. I don't really could care less. But this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a vanilla ice cream protein recipe with no sugar. And okay, we're gonna prep. So this is what I'm gonna do. The residual banana stuff that's in here is actually covering the blades enough to be a liquid. And so what I'm going to do is use that and add that to my recipe here. So it's going to make a banana bread batter flavored ice cream. That is what I'm going to do. And so change the serving to half serving. Okay, half serving. Now I would say 1.6 of milk, but I'm not going to add anything there because I already have a liquid covering the blade. So if I add more liquid, it's just going to make it liquidy and defeat the purpose. Whey protein. Whey protein. I'm still going to add my whey protein for satiation. I need the protein for building the body because I have to do my workout. I'm gonna do my workout after all this. I eat any time of the day. I don't do pre-workout, post-workout, none of that kind of stuff. Unless I have like low energy and I need like the carbohydrates and whatever, then I'll just, make something and then work out. But afterward, that post-workout crap, who cares about that? Stupid. The body don't know no different. Vanilla extract. Bam. Just like that, like magic, because I'm using the app. And the app is awesome. The stevia. Again, I just opened this stevia. I just opened it. I didn't put it into my little bowl to be all nice and, organized, whatever yet. So I'm just gonna pour it in. See how awesome this app is? Because you don't have to guess at anything. It's just pour it in, it's done. Bam, that's it. I don't need to know nothing. I don't need to know cups and measuring and converting and all that kind of stuff. I mean, can do that, but it just takes longer. I'm sorry, I need something. The whole point for me, Vitamix, is to be fast. Fast and efficient is what I want in my appliance. And easy to clean because I hate cleaning. So I got my ice cubes here. My milk cubes. Milk cubes ready to go. My milk cubes ready to go. Bam, bam, bam. In there. Like Emeril Lagasse. Haven't seen that dude in forever. I used to watch Emeril Lagasse back when, he was first came out on TV. He looked like a normal dude. And then like years later, he was like super fat. I was like, Jesus Christ. He's got to he's got to watch himself. He's going to eat all this good food. So you got to work some of it off, man. Okay, now we're ready for converting all that previous batter. Now, this is going to probably be like, oh my God, there's raw eggs in there and the salmonella and that. Look, I'm not scared of that. I'm not scared of that. I'm just not. I don't live in a bubble. I'd be concerned if it was like somebody who gave me like chicken eggs, like from a farm that they live on the farm. I was like, oh, here's some chicken eggs. I would probably be skeptical. But like these ones that you get from farms that are at the store, they're fine. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, I don't want to get off on a tangent. I'm just gonna make this ice cream and pour it in here and eat it. And that's gonna be it for this one. It says 130 calories, but that's not really 100% true because of the batter that's in here. So I'm gonna assume I'm going to assume about another 60 calories. So let's say 200. I'll add 200 to my daily intake recording. It's turned up good. It's very tough for this one to do it with the batter. But it came out perfect. It came out perfect. Oh boy. Oh my God, I gotta show you this one. It tastes so good. Low calorie. Woo. I'm just trying to rinse this off real quick. Just bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. Alright, I'm not finished with cleaning that tamper just yet, but look at that. Ah, it's frozen. It's frozen. Vanilla ice cream with a banana batter tint. Oh man, that's going to be delicious to eat right now. I'm eating this instantly. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. And it churned it up, no problem. I couldn't even see what was going on through it because there was batter still stuck in the side, so I had to like look through the top. But it churned it up into the 4 clovers. Oh man, yes, 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 yes. And to prove I don't need this anymore. Go away. For some reason this iPad is like, there we go. For some reason that iPad is a little slower. Oh, I need my spoon. Where's my spoon? Alright, spoon. Gotta eat this. So good. Oh my God, I'm making coffee for this. So delicious. See how versatile my batter is? The cleanup is even delicious. The cleanup is delicious. Ah, all right, this video's over. Whew, that's how I do it. Banana batter was done from start to finish with the machine previous video, and this cleanup, which was pretty much a bonus ice cream. Delicious. Vitamix 5-star S50.